Hey guys, what's up? It's Charlie with CompetitiveEdgeProducts.com. Real fast, I just wanted to show you my Colorado Cylinder Spruce Stove. 4, maybe 5 years ago is when I started using this, and it's held up really, really well. It's taken a beating. You can see I've got scratches all over it. The way I've stored it in my garage maybe can account for some of the rust on the pipe there. But I fired it up this morning, and yeah, it's awesome. It's just super great quality. I'm very happy with it. There have been some changes with the newer model. If you want to see the newer design, look at the link below. But if you own this, don't buy the new one. You don't need the new one. Some of the features I think are a bit of an improvement, but don't definitely hang on to your Spruce if you've already got one. You don't need to feel bad. It's like the new iPhones. There's some minor upgrades, but you don't always need to just like get rid of your old one and get the new one. But I will tell you one big change, and that's the damper. The only problem I've had with this one is, and I think I'm in the minority because other people that I've talked to, they haven't had this problem, but my damper, it's supposed to stay, when it's completely vertical like this, it's open. And watch, when I release it, like it falls. So I think I maybe need some tension on my spring here. The newer design does not use that damper. It only uses the built-in damper on the door. And I tested that in this other video, if you want to see that, with a thermometer on the pipe, so you can see the temperature go up and down, you can see the smoke come out. But yeah, great product. Great product. Thanks for watching.